Hey, have you used Jira before?
Yes, I have. It's a popular tool used for project management and issue tracking.
What does Jira stand for, anyway?
Jira doesn't actually stand for anything. It's just a name that the developers came up with.
What are some of the features of Jira?
Jira has a lot of features, like customizable workflows, dashboards, and reporting. It also integrates with other tools like Confluence and Bitbucket.
Who uses Jira software?
Jira is used by a lot of different teams, from software development to marketing to HR. Anyone who needs to manage projects and track issues can benefit from using Jira.
What's the role of Jira in agile development?
Jira is a key tool in agile development. It helps teams manage their backlog, plan sprints, and track progress towards their goals.
Is Jira a testing tool?
No, Jira is not a testing tool. However, it can be used to track testing tasks and results.
What is Jira tool called?
Jira is often referred to as a project management tool or an issue tracker.
Is Jira easy to learn?
It can take some time to learn all the features of Jira, but there are plenty of resources available, like documentation and online courses. Plus, once you get the hang of it, it's a very powerful tool.
Thanks for sharing your insights. Do you have any tips for using Jira effectively?
Sure. One tip is to keep your Jira instance organized by using consistent naming conventions and workflows. Another tip is to take advantage of Jira's reporting features to track progress and identify areas for improvement.
Those are great tips. I'll definitely keep them in mind. Thanks for chatting with me.
Anytime. Let's keep learning and growing together.